Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to dive into a thorough review and explanation of Germany's most powerful missile. We will explore its exterior design, its interior briefly, its performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and finally offer a conclusion that ties everything together. When you first look at this missile, you are struck by its sleek aerodynamic form. A slender, elongated fuselage, designed to minimize air resistance and maximize speed. The exterior is coated with advanced radar-absorbing materials, giving it stealth capabilities. The surface has subtle panel lines and maintenance access hatches that blend seamlessly into the body. Its nose cone is sharp and slightly rounded at the tip, constructed from high-grade composite materials to withstand extreme heat. The body behind expands into a cylindrical midsection, housing guidance systems, motors and payload. The tail section features control surfaces, small fins, and movable canards that ensure precise flight path adjustments. At the rear, you will find the exhaust nozzle for propulsion with heat-resistant alloys, and a protective shroud that helps reduce infrared signature. All observable details from seams, vents, small sensors, and embedded antennas demonstrate the level of precision engineering that has gone into making this weapon not only powerful, but also extremely difficult to detect. The exterior tells a story of stealth, speed, and strength, combined in a single package. Inside the missile, the layout is densely packed yet elegantly efficient. Components are arranged in layers in the front. The guidance and targeting electronics sit close to the nose cone, behind which comes the warhead section, followed by a compact propulsion unit, and finally the control actuators towards the tail. Each section is carefully shielded and isolated to protect sensitive electronics from the stresses of flight and shock waves. The wiring harnesses are routed with redundancy in mind, and connectors are robust to survive high-G maneuvers. The interior may be small, but every inch counts in enabling this missile to perform flawlessly. When it comes to performance, this missile is nothing short of extraordinary. It can achieve hypersonic speeds, allowing it to travel at several times the speed of sound. The propulsion system typically uses a solid-fuel rocket booster, or in some variants a ramjet scramjet engine, enabling sustained high speed for long durations. Once launched, it can reach targets hundreds or even thousands of kilometers away depending on configuration. The guidance system uses a combination of inertial navigation, satellite guidance, and terminal guidance sensors such as radar, imaging, infrared seekers, or even passive sensors to home in on its target accurately. In flight, it can maneuver aggressively to evade countermeasures, making interception extremely difficult. The missile exhibits high agility during terminal phase and can adjust trajectory to optimize impact point. Accuracy is remarkable, often within meters of intended target. The payload can vary from conventional high explosive to specialized warheads designed to defeat hardened targets. The range, power, and speed make it a strategic weapon capable of striking key high-value targets deep in enemy territory. Missile is also built to resist electronic jamming and interference, offering reliable performance even in contested environments. Overall, its performance envelope is very impressive, combining long-range, high-speed accuracy and maneuverability that many other missiles struggle to match. In terms of safety features, this missile incorporates multiple fail-safes and safeguards to prevent unintentional detonation or misuse. The arming sequence is controlled by multiple authentication checks and environmental sensors, ensuring it can only arm under appropriate conditions. G-safeties prevent activation under excessive acceleration or when orientation is incorrect. Redundant circuits monitor critical systems, and in case of anomaly, the system defaults to safe mode. Abort mechanisms can disable the warhead or ensure it becomes inert if the missile strays off course. Some designs include self-destruct capabilities triggered under predefined conditions to avoid collateral damage or misuse. The missile also contains temperature and pressure sensors that monitor internal conditions to prevent catastrophic failure. The materials used are chosen to resist structural fatigue and heat stress under extreme flight conditions. Redundancy in electronics ensures no single point of failure can compromise the mission in high-threat environments. The missile can operate with degraded sensors or without certain subsystems and still complete its mission safely. With these safety features, designers achieve a balance between lethality and controlled reliability, minimizing risk of unintended consequences. What makes this missile stand out are its unique selling points. First, stealth capabilities and low observability allow it to penetrate advanced enemy air defenses without detection. Second, its hypersonic speed and long range put it in a class of standout deterrence. Third, its high maneuverability in terminal phase gives it superior ability to evade interception. Fourth, versatile payload options make it applicable across a wide spectrum of mission types, from hardened bunkers to mobile assets. Fifth, resistance to electronic warfare ensures reliability in contested battlefields. Sixth, interoperability with existing launch platforms such as submarines, ships, air launchers, or ground silos adds deployment flexibility. Seventh, modular design allows for upgrades and customization over time, making it future-proof. Eighth, maintenance and serviceability have been engineered to simplify field servicing despite complexity. These distinguishing attributes combine to make it not just powerful, but exceptionally adaptable and reliable, which is precisely why this missile is regarded as Germany's most powerful and advanced strike weapon. As for price, while exact figures are typically classified, we can provide a rough estimate based on comparable missiles and defense industry standards. The development cost per missile, including R&D, testing, manufacturing, and integration, often runs into tens of millions of dollars in terms of unit cost. A modern advanced missile of this caliber might cost somewhere between 50 to 100 million US dollars, depending on variant complexity and quantity. Purchased additional costs like logistic support, training, maintenance, and spare parts add significantly to the life cycle cost. The acquisition of a full battery, including launchers, control systems, support vehicles, could raise the total package cost to several $billion in many cases. Nations negotiate government-to-government contracts under defense cooperation agreements, which can include offsets, local production, or technology transfer, reducing net cost for the buyer. But regardless, it is clearly an expensive strategic asset, not meant for routine use, but reserved for high-value or high-threat scenarios. So while price is high, it reflects the sophistication, performance, risk, and strategic value embedded within the system. In conclusion, this German missile represents a fusion of cutting-edge technology and strategic thinking. Its exterior design signals stealth and precision, while its interior yields a highly compact and robust architecture, enabling reliable performance. The performance metrics of speed, range, agility, and accuracy place it among the most formidable strike systems in modern arsenals. Safety features mitigate risks and ensure controlled use, even in complex conflict zones. Unique selling points such as stealth, penetration, maneuvering, electronic warfare resistance, flexible deployment, and modularity set it apart from less advanced alternatives. And while its price is extremely high, it mirrors the value and capabilities it delivers for nations seeking a strategic edge. This missile is a potent deterrent and a precision instrument of power. Germany's most powerful missile is not merely a weapon, it is a demonstration of engineering excellence, geopolitical leverage, and defense innovation. Thank you for watching this deep dive review and explanation of Germany's most powerful missile. Stay tuned for more defense technology breakdowns